Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina, and today I've got something totally new, totally different. I am going to be doing an unboxing video, and this is my wife's idea. So the box is already open, but she thought of it after I opened it up, but I hadn't really unpacked anything. Anyway, I've made just shy of 400 videos here for YouTube over the last 3.5, 4 years, whatever it's been. And most of those were filmed using just a regular cell phone camera. I did buy a Sony camcorder, like a HD camcorder a while back. However, it turned out to have some major issues, so very few videos were actually filmed with it before it started to malfunction. So back to a cell phone camera it is. And I do have a lot of people that complain about audio quality and stuff like that with it. You know, we do the best we can with what we have. But anyway, this month, I had a great month on YouTube, probably the best month ever. Thanks to the Radio Shack video I did, which, you know, it's no rhyme or reason to the videos that do well versus the ones that don't, but you just keep cranking them out. So I took the money from that, well, that and a little bit more, because this is quite an expensive upgrade, but I went out and bought something that's the biggest upgrade the channel probably will ever have, and I wanted to share it with y'all. So here's the box, and well, like I said, I had opened it, but I haven't unpacked any of this stuff. So let me go ahead and open it, and I'll show you. And let's go ahead and get the big toy out of the way right there. I got that, and that is a Sony FDR-AX53 4K camcorder. This is like top of the line, and not an inexpensive toy for sure. It is a built-in gimbal or a image stabilizer. So when if I'm moving, it's like, I know I got some criticism on some of the Hamfest videos I do, because as I'm walking, it's just bobbing up and down with my footsteps. This will be curing that problem, so that's kind of cool. So let's go ahead and open this booger up here. Actually, you know what? I want to set it aside because there's a bunch of other stuff in the bag. I bought like a kit, a whole kit, so not just the radio, not just the camcorder, but let's see what else we got here. Nice Ultimax 60-inch tripod. Now this is like a more professional grade. The cell phone right now is sitting on one that I got on a Black Friday sale at Amazon for, I think it was like $7. And it feels like one that was about $7. So this one is super nice. Got a little carrying case here. Crank up. That's cool. And that kind of flips down. And then we have our slides. So very nice. I'm liking that. Not sure what that hook is for on the bottom, if anybody knows what that's all about. But that'll be nice. Very heavy duty. Let's see what else we got here. Filter kit. There's a 3-piece filter kit, so it looks like a UV protective filter, a circular polarizer filter, not sure what that is, and a fluorescent filter. It's the shop, the garage, most of the lights out there are fluorescent. A lot of them are slowly being upgraded to LEDs, so that'll maybe help with that, but that's nice. Travel charger, so I got a charger. I think this thing came with 2 batteries. There's one in there, and then there's another one here. So that's really cool. Yeah, there's a replacement battery. So it comes with one, and then they included a second one with this kit. Also comes with 2 like ultra high speed extreme 64 gigabyte SD cards. That was really nice. So there's plenty of filming footage. Like, I don't know how many minutes that'd be at 4K, but I imagine maybe it says 30 minutes. So an hour of filming perhaps for both those. Not bad. Usually when I make films, they're not more than 20 minutes of footage, so I don't think that'd be an issue. And then you cut it down, to 5 to 10. I do have one of these little doodads, and they threw that in there. And that's one of these little stands. So if I want to put the camera, although it's a pretty big camera to be putting on that, but you could have that on there and just rest it somewhere on the table to look down at something. So that's kind of a neat toy. Then it came with a carrying case, and this is just your packaging list. And I did buy this off of Amazon from a company called something. I think it was like Sun something. I don't know. Anyway, it does come with a bunch of other stuff here. It has this nice carrying case. It's all zippered up, so let's go ahead and open that up. Yeah, this thing's packed full of stuff. So this is, what is this? I actually got this in the mail about a week and a half ago, but I've been so busy I haven't had a chance to really take a look at it. Oh, cool. It's like a larger version of that little one. This one feels way more stout, so it's kind of a, I could set that on the table or have that on the ground. Especially like, I do auto repair videos and mower repair videos, and this seems like it would be way better. Get it right up on there, take a good look at, brakes or whatever I'm doing. So that is cool. I like that. It's very, very sturdy looking. Like when you position it, there's no flex to it. So that's cool. Let's see what else. Like a lens cleaner, little, you know, one of those little cloths. Oh, that's neat. Screen guard, so I guess I can put that on there to keep the actual touchscreen from getting damaged on this. Oh, cool. A memory card case file, a little plastic case that holds enough for 6 memory cards. I guess if you were filming an actual movie, you'd be burning through a lot of these memory cards. Oh, a little, oh man, I feel professional now, you know? You know what we use with this thing is our shirt. We clean it with our shirt, so that's how we get that thing clean. Camera lens sensor cleaner. Yeah, I'm feeling very professional now. You guys, I think I should just be making millions of dollars now because I have this cool camera. What is this stuff? Oh, I see. Yeah, to dust it off. Yeah, really neat. I don't know what that is. A little suction cup or something. Huh. Not sure what that is, but that's cool. And what's this? A USB. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's a USB. And then you can put your SD card in there, or it looks like maybe a micro SD card as well. So that's interesting. It's a good thing that I was paying attention when I bought this to all the things it came with. I don't know what this is. It's very small. Lens cap keeper. Okay, so I don't even know if this has a lens cap, but if it does, there's a little dangly cord for it. Camera lens sensor cleaner, like a little moist towelette. Ah, there's my strap for the bag here, so I can put that on there. Let's see if there's anything in the front pocket. Nope, nothing in the front pocket, but nice little thing. So if I were to take another epic adventure cross country, the next time I found an open Radio Shack, I'd be able to take really nice video with this package. So that's cool. I like it all. Let's go ahead and open up this camera. So just so you're aware, I probably have about 10 videos that are still mixed in there, you know, that I've already have canned that go, you know, get uploaded every week. So some videos maybe from the camcorder before it broke even, and most of them are from the cell phone that I've filmed a lot of the videos with over the years. I got the camera part of it working again. So, but from here on out, all new videos will be filmed using this. And not pictured in this mess is about 2 years ago, I bought a wireless lapel mic because people were complaining about wind noise and not being able to hear me when I do my outdoor videos. And I bought that, and I never was able to get it to work with the cell phone, and the Sony camcorder I had, it did not work with it either because it didn't have an external mic. This one does, so let's hope. So what we got here on the, we've got a couple of manuals here. I'll certainly be reading those. Wow, lots of manuals. Okay, lots of different languages, but all for the same manual. That's cool. Definitely have to go over that because this thing, you know, according to the internet, which never lies, this is pretty high tech. Looks like we got our charging cables, a USB cable, another type. Oh, HDMI. That's HDMI. That's cool. So it must be able to directly go to the TV set. And I don't own a 4K TV or a 4K monitor, but for those of you out there that do, I'm going to be filming in 4K. So there's our little power supply. Looks like this is our battery over here. That's a pretty good sized battery, actually. That looks like an extended range battery. And then the camera itself. Go ahead and put this on the ground. Wow. Yeah, not as big as the old digital high 8 camera that I had for many years, but a good feeling radio. I keep saying radio, man. But good feeling camera. I can see when I'm looking through the front here, and I'll maybe make a video of it up close, but you can see the gimbal effect of the lens. It kind of flops around in there. Very interesting. A very unique setup. Overall first impressions, very cool. Got my little hand here. I got to move that out because I have that. There we go. Yeah. So I can do that. Got your zoom up here. Very nice. And yeah, built-in mic here. The mic is actually faces upward, which is weird, but they said that that's to help with wind noise. Most of the functions on this thing are automatic. Obviously, I'm not a expert with filming, so to have, you know, I looked at DSLR cameras, and everything has to be manually adjusted. And I want to make videos, man. I don't want to. I'm not a filmographer. I want to make how-to videos. I want to show you things that I've learned over the years and share that with you. So I really have no interest in taking it to any other level than that. So I wanted something that was kind of point and click. And from what I've read, this is like the top of the line point and click camcorder. So That's it. That's a weird unboxing video. If I don't sound excited, it's not that I'm not excited. I am excited. It was an extremely expensive purchase, but I felt like since the channel, is going to continue on, which this experiment seems to be somewhat successful, that I should probably upgrade the equipment to something and give you the best quality product that I can provide you. Obviously, I'm not a professional. I don't do this for a living, but I've been doing it long enough. It was time to reinvest into the channel. So for those of you out there who are complaining about wind noise and video image quality or image stabilization, hopefully that is cured with this. And stay tuned, because the best is yet to come here at Farpoint Farms. I'll see you next time. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet. Liberty sows its seed at Farpoint.